We were the officers cadet type. As an engineer, we joined as a sub-lieutenant level. But that initial academy period, training period is about 4.5 months. And it is supposed to be hell. It is hell means hell. The moment you land yourself, you think you're joining as an officer, whereas you are kicked and you are made to roll on the road, and you are made to run 14 kilometers and 21 kilometers. You don't know when the day starts and when it ends. And it's absolutely extreme physical torture, if I may say so. At that time, you feel that way, right? And you'll be surprised, the way in which your appetite grows up. When we all used to go, though we were the cadets, but at those days, we used to dine in the SNC officers' mess along with the other officers. And you see the diet of those cadets, courtesy the hard work which one has put in. So it was a very, very tough. Physically, it was virtually a torture because you are made to realize that there is no ego. So you are on the rough roads, you are doing rolling and front roll and back rolls and endless sit-ups and rope climbing and running and racing, and you don't know swimming. Still, you are made to jump from the 10-meter board and 5-meter board and 7-meter board. So all that. So it was a tough thing, but at the end of it, when you look at it, that is what they make officers out of you. When we had joined, we had none of those skills. One doesn't realize one can run 14 kilometers and 21 kilometers and half marathon and more, right? So that is what, it was a great learning. When you look back, nothing could be better than that. One always look at that time with a wonderful feeling and the camaraderie. We had almost, there were almost about 150 cadets that time. Amongst engineers itself, we were about 60 of us, and we are one of the best friends. Even now, we have a big WhatsApp group, and every day we celebrate everything under the sun. So that's a great bonding, and that is only because of the times what we have gone through in those 5 months, and then thereafter in the Navy, in the various appointments we have remained connected with.